Welcome to this tutorial on how to change currency in Revolut. Revolut is a popular financial app that allows you to manage your money and make transactions in multiple currencies. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to change currency in Revolut. To start, open the Revolut app on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account section by tapping on the account icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, select the account you want to change the currency for. Next, tap on the currency icon next to the account balance. This will open the currency exchange screen, where you can select the currency you want to exchange to. Revolut supports over 30 currencies, including major currencies such as US dollars, euros, and pounds. To change the currency, simply select the currency you want to exchange to from the list of available currencies. You can also use the search function to find a specific currency. Once you have selected the currency, Revolut will display the current exchange rate and the amount of money you will receive after the exchange. Before confirming the exchange, make sure to review the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, but it is always a good idea to double-check before making a transaction. To confirm the exchange, tap on the exchange button and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. The exchange will be processed instantly, and the new balance will be updated in your account. It is also worth noting that Revolut offers a feature called Auto Exchange, which allows you to automatically exchange your money to the local currency when you make a transaction abroad. This feature can be enabled or disabled in the account settings. In addition to changing currency, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including real-time exchange rates, budgeting tools, and spending insights. These features can help you manage your money more effectively and make the most of your travels. In conclusion, changing currency in Revolut is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily exchange your money to the currency of your choice and take advantage of Revolut's competitive exchange rates and low fees. Whether you are traveling abroad or managing your finances at home, Revolut is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals.